Hello everyone, welcome to this class. We are going to continue more examples on algebraic process, equation and formula. Now we'll go to exercise 6a. Number 17, we have 2 minus 5t equal to 20 minus 8t. First thing we are going to do is, we are going to make sure that t is one side while the whole number is the other side of the equation. So already we have minus 8t here. Remember what we said, if minus 8t crosses the equation to the other side, it becomes plus 8t. That's what we have here. I already have minus 5t, so we'll leave it the way it is. Now we have plus 2. If plus 2 crosses the equation, we have minus 2. That's what we have here. So the next is 3t equals 18. By the time 80 minus 5t is giving you 3t. 20 minus 2 will give you what? 18. So next thing we're going to do is divide both sides by 3. If you divide both sides by 3, we can say 3t over 3, 18 over 3. This will give you t, and this will give you 6. So your answer is what? T is equal to 6. Let's go to the next example. We have a minus 10 and half is equal to minus 2 over 5a plus 10 and half. That's number what? Number 30. So the first thing we are going to do is always good when you are solving for things like this to solve it, leave it as an improper fraction. So let's rewrite this. We are going to have a minus, change this to an improper fraction, just do 2 multiplied by 10 plus the numerator. So it will be 2 times 10 is 20 plus 1, you have 21 over 2 all over minus, equal to minus 5 over 2 over 5 a plus this, and this is the same. So we're going to repeat it again. We have 21 over 2. Are we together? So the first thing we're going to do is move a to this side and move this to the other side. So here you have minus 2.5a. So when it crosses the equation, this a is already here, so leave it where it is. A, when this crosses the equation, this minus becomes plus 2 over 5a is equal to, this crosses the equation, here is minus, so when it crosses the equation, it becomes plus. So you have 21 over 2 plus 21 over what? 2. Are we together? So let's continue this. Let's continue solving it here and draw a line. We can say, when you add this, how do you go? You first look for the numerator. You have something like 5 as the numerator. 5 here, you can call this a over 1. So 5 divided by 1, you have 5. 5 times a, you have 5a plus 5 divided by 5, 1 times 2, you still have 2a. That's this side of the equation is equal to this plus this. Both of them have the same numerator, so by the time you add it to be 21 plus 21. So the other side of the equation, you have 7a over 5 is equal to what? 21 plus 21 will give you what? 42. Then 42 divided by 2 will give you what? 21. So now we are looking for a. So the best thing we can do is multiply here by 5 over 7 and also multiply here by 5 over 7. So you have 7 over 5a times 5 over 7 equal to 21 over 1 times 5 over 7. So by the time 5 cancel here is 1, 7 cancel here is also 1. So you have a is now equal to 7 cancel 21 is 3. 3 times 5 is what? 15. So your a is equal to what? 15. So this is your final answer. So let's go to exercise 6b. Number 12. We have 5 bracket 3m plus 4 is equal to 3 bracket 4m plus 7 bracket close. So in this case, you are looking for m. So first thing you are going to do is what? Open up the bracket. 5 times 3 it will be 15m plus 5 times 4 20 is equal to 3 times 4 12m plus 3 times 7 21. Now we'll start rearranging. We'll bring m to this side and bring 20 to this side. This is plus. When you close the equation, it becomes what? Minus. You have 15. This is 15 that is here. When this cross equation becomes 15m, sorry, becomes minus 12m is equal to this plus. When it cross becomes minus. 21, the 21 that was here before, then this will join it, minus 20. So you have 15m minus 12m, you have 3m is equal to 1. So divide both sides by 3. You now have your m is what? 1 over 3. This is your final answer. Let's go to the next, number 17 of exercise. This is number 12. This is number 17 of exercise 6b. So we have something like this. So let's open the bracket. 5 times v, have 5v plus 10. That's 5 times 2. Plus 3 times v, 3v, 3 times minus 5, minus 15 is equal to what? 19. So what we're going to do is leave v this side, move the rest the other side. So here we have 5v. This is plus 10. So when plus 10 crosses, this is 19, you have 19 already. When plus 10 crosses the equation, it becomes minus 10. When minus 15 crosses the equation, it becomes plus 15. So this is plus 3v that was here. These two are here. We only move these two to the other side of the equation. So 5v plus 3v will give you what? 8v. Are we together? So we'll now add what we have here. 19 minus 10 is what? 9. 9 plus 5 is what? 24. So divide both sides by 8. You have it that v is equal to what? 3 as your final answer. Hope you're understanding it. So for this equation, what you are trying to do is to solve for the lettered alphabet using the normal process we solved in our previous class on equation when you go to chapter 4. So let's solve more examples. So we have fractions to deal with in this case. The best way to deal with fraction is to convert it to a whole number. And that you convert to a whole number, find the LCM. So what the LCM of 5 and 3? LCM of 5 and 3 is what? 15. So multiply everything by 15. So we have this multiplied by 15. We have 15 3x plus 2 all over 5 minus 15 2x plus 3 all divided by 3 equal to 3 times 15. So the next thing we are going to do is start solving. To solve for this, we are going to have 15 divided by 5 is 3 into bracket 3x plus 2 minus 5 divided by 3 is 5. You have 5 bracket 2x plus 3. You now have 45 plus 3 times 15 is 45. So now open up the bracket. You now have, 3 times 3 is 9x plus 3 times 2 is 6. Now mind you, this is minus sign, so take note of it. Minus 5 times 2x, you have minus 10x. Minus 5 times plus 3, you have minus 15. All is equal to what? 45. So next you solve what we have here. You have 9x minus 10x, you have minus x. Plus 6 minus 15, you have minus 9 is equal to what? 45. So we move this to the other side of the equation. We have minus x. Minus 9 crossing equation will give you plus equal to 45 plus 9. So you have minus x is now what? 54. So because when we are solving for this, take note, when we are solving for this, it must be in positive. The sign of the letter we are looking for must be positive. So we can't leave it minus. So multiply, or will I say multiply or divide both sides by a negative sign. Let me say divide both sides by minus 1. So you now have your x is what? Minus 54. That's your answer. This is your final answer. So let's use the same method to solve for the second one. We have something like this. Remember what I said, you go for the LCM. What's the LCM of 8, 12, and 6? LCM of 8, 12, and 6 is what? 24. I'm not doing LCM in this class, so I believe most of us know how to get that. So multiply everything by 24. You have 3 over 8 bracket 4a minus 5 bracket close minus 5 over 12 bracket 3a minus 4 bracket close, all equal to 1 over 6. So we have to multiply by LCM, which is 24. So I will have something like 24 times 3 over 8 bracket 4a minus 5 also minus 5 over 12 times the same 24, 3 over 3a minus 4 equal to 1 over 6 times the same 24. So let's solve for here. We have 8 divided here is 3. 3 times 3 is 6. Okay, 9. Sorry. We have 9, 4a minus 5 minus 12 divided here is 2. 24 divided by 12 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So 10, 3a. This 3a, not 39. Take note. 3a minus 4 equal to 24 divided by 6 is what? 4. I think 24 divided by 6 is 4. So let's go further. We have, when we open up the bracket, we have something like 9 times 4a will give you 36a minus 9 times 5 will give you what? 45. Now this is minus 10 multiplying. Minus 10 times 3a will give you minus 30a. Minus 10 times 4. Minus 10 times minus 4 will give you plus. Minus minus is plus. Plus 40 is equal to what? 4. So let's solve. 36a minus 30a will give you what? 6a. Mind you, this a, my a looks like 9, so don't confuse it. Even here is a too. So we have minus 45 plus 40 will give you what? Minus 5. And your total answer is what? 4. Next thing is this, we go to the other side of the equation. We now have that a is equal to, okay, 6a, sorry, is equal to 4. When minus 5 plus the equation becomes plus 5 plus 5. So 6a is equal to 9. So divide both sides by 6. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. You have that a is equal to 9 over 6. Mind you, this is 9. This is a. I don't know if there is any way I can distinguish it. So that a will now be one whole number. By the time you, this is the same as 3 divided by here is 3. 3 divided by here is 2. So this is now one whole number 1 over 2 if you change it to mixed fraction. So this is it for this class. Any question, do it to drop in the comment section. See you in the next class. Thank you.